What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to change page size in Canva. Now once inside Canva guys, let me go ahead and create a new page and show you how you can change it. So let's say I create by clicking create on the upper left hand side. I'm going to just quickly choose, for example, YouTube thumbnail, right? Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. For example, it's going to open up a blank canvas right here. Now let's say I want to change, the size. All I have to do is look to the upper left and you'll find a resize. I can click in there. Keep in mind that you need to have Canva Pro at least to be able to do this, and from here you have some suggested sites. If you want to do something custom, simply click on custom size right here and just choose whatever you want by inputting whatever. So if I want this by, let's say, 900, for example, I can go ahead and change that. So whatever I want, let's say 2000 by 900, I can do whatever I want, then click and crop and resize, or you can even choose to resize this design. It's really up to you. I'm going to just choose the option to resize this design, and you will see immediately that it's going to resize this current design. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.